Just a little heads up, the audio is delayed for this video, but I don't know how to fix it. Whoa. Shut up again. So this is No More Rainbows. I think I've played it before. I just forgot all about it. And yeah, we're just gonna play it again. You! Come here! Happy Land. No! No happiness! This game is wild. Hey! Hey! That's the portal! Hey, 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 come here! Come here! No! I should be able to... Okay. Oh, hello! What a cute little couple. How about... Oh, what are you eating? How about some bees? Oh. Dang. Yeah. Oh, what you got there? Some wings to fly up to heaven? Oh, shoot. Is there any more? I don't think so. I got them all over here. No more balloon! Bruh, I missed. And no more happiness! Oh. That's delicious. Whoa. Portal. Oh, let's try and speed run, because I remember doing that. That's all I remember, though. I hate you! You gotta get 10 of these little things. What even are these? Puffs? Hi there. How about some bees? Oh, okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Candy, no! Actually, I might take some. Frick! That doesn't mean you're safe! Oh, maybe it does. Okay. Did I miss any? I don't think so. I'm gonna go bowling today. Frick, I missed. Hey, don't worry. Spare! Come to me. Wow. I keep missing these unicorns. I have 7 out of 10. Break. I want to see blood on the streets. Bro. Oh my. Oh, hello. Oh, yummy. This took forever because I had to speed run over and over and I couldn't find the 4th freaking unicorn, but then I did. With blood! Huh. Well, there's a unicorn right there. Hit him! No, come here! I need you! Come to Papa. Get over here. Please. Yes! Rip you in half! I'm gonna eat you and eat you! Oh, that was so satisfying, dude. Goodbye. Hey, need to test something. Can I grab you? No! No! Well, actually, yay. No! Ah! Oh, the racing thing. I remember having trouble with that. Oh, let's do first. Oh. Come on. Come on now. Get over there. Oh. Oh no. Up. 4, 3, 2, 1. No, I missed. Medium. Please. No. What? Oh my god, literally easier than easy, bro. Okay, time for the worst. Yup. No. No. Yes. Is it? Yeah! Come here! This is the face of a champion! Wow! That was something. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, another thing! What are you doing? Ah! Die! Okay. I'm actually just incorrect. Oh, look at this. He's down to 1. Level 2 is over here. So I basically just played like 5 levels through this, and today's a new video coming out soon, I think. Bye.